Lagi mo picture tani ani bi. Wala nice kani oh nice kan view oh.
Especially in the factory, we will stay in the camp. And also, when the people come to visit Banff, and if they cannot find a hotel in the Banff, because the hotel in Banff is very limited. Always, sometimes it's always full booking, and usually they will stay in the camp more instead of staying in Banff. And I would say it's not bad to stay in the camp because the hotel in here is cheaper. Quicker and also nicer, and also there will be less people in Campbell than Banff. So if you can see on the left hand side, there's a mountain here. That mountain is called the Three Sisters Mountains. So Three Sisters Mountain is one of the iconic mountains in Campbell because there was three peaks on the top. That's why the name is Three Sisters Mountains. So now we can able to see three peaks on the top.
Mountain. It has such an outstanding appearance because of erosion. It's eroded by wind and by water for many, many years. We'll make a stop here, and we are going to that gate. Okay?
Okay. 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 Castle Mountain. Castle Mountain. Ya picture nanti kat una ya. Atau pusing tadi. Ada gat ya. Dara ya. 1, 2, 3. Ako po. Charot. O dito tato mo. Dali. Dito tayo dapit be. Ayo. Okay ra kay dagay tao dara. Dito na ta dapit. Pwede ra. Li na. Ari dali ta dapit. Dagay tao dali ba? Be, nice dali be. Nice na view. Ari oh. Bine, nice na view dire. Tara ang Castle Mountain, guys. Be, tara be, dire na tabi. Nice. Awa be, nice na rin oh. Dali na, nice na. Dali na diyon. Be, nice dire kay wala tao. Wala background. Ano na, oh? Halina, dali mo. Oh, kusus ka, nice dali, kaysa dito. Oh, dali, oh. Be, post, tika mo nun, Tio. Yo, Mateo, face here. Go. Wow, nice one.
We're going back with the same car, right?
Dugay tabi. Okay, maadto pa man tao ko.
This is Johnson Canyon. Yeah. And what are we going to do here? We are going to do some hiking. Yeah. We'll stay here for 2 hours. So what can we go and where can we go and what we can see? This is the hiking trail right here, and we can stay on trail. Keep going up, and we can see the first sightseeing spot, the lower waterfalls. After 1.1 kilometer, we can see the lower waterfalls, and then we can go further a bit, 1.4 kilometer further a bit, we can see the upper waterfalls. So for the whole way is around 2.5 kilometer. Keep going up and then same way down, same way up, same way down. Between lower waterfalls and upper waterfalls, there are 5 more waterfalls. Okay, so you will see 7 waterfalls today. Okay, yeah, but it's not a must to complete the whole way, you know.
So guys, nandito sa Johnson Canyon na trail. So ano siya? Waterfalls ang pinag. Yan yung trail. So let's go and see another waterfall sa unahan. Isa sa lower, isa sa upper. Hawak ang outfit sa trail. Okay. Wala na ako guys. Okay, gapon. Carry belts. So guys, so nice oh. B, dito B oh, B. Oh. Zoom picture ka rin. Uy, dali. Dali ma. Dali pa. Pinay tao di. Trail. Yan trail guys. Nice kayong rock formation, no? Dito bang mo, Tiyo, be? Dali, kilid. 1, 2, 3. Tiyo! Naunsang na wong. Uy. Guys, ito guys. Ano siya? Oh, no? Part niya siya sa honey area. Nice, honey na siya guys. Lower sa ta, then upper din ta balik. Lower falls be, duha ni ka falls.
Yeah, upper
Dili,
tadaan.
lower ta.
Di upper ta.
Ay upper tadaan oh, may sakto.
Okay, napatay power ya para dia.
Oh.
May naka-power din.
Dali, picture be. Picture be. Lower falls. Right. Lower falls. Going na ni sa upper falls guys. Ang lower falls is well. Upper falls kami. Para pagkanindot na lang sa rock formation guys. Oh, super nice. Wow. So nice. Yeah. So na guys, no? Nag-give up na si Mateo ug si Clark. So kita dito mag-give up. Namatadalaan eh. Oh, haplas sa ilong. Kura. Oh, Di ba? Minto lang katapat. So, let's go. Napay 530 meters dong, no? 530 meters more. So, let's go. Nice day, guys. Oh, yeah. So, lapit namin sa Upper Falls. May lang, guys. Woohoo! Oh, there you go. Ito yung mga ito. Oh, may na. So, nasa likodan yung waterfalls line up. Yeah. Kamay ulit. Guys, dako pang Maria Cristina, guys. Muna mo ang gihaykan og layok, guys. Wow. Si Magda. Hello. Sorry, pwede lang yung picture dali. Wala mag-host. Ay naman yung picture. Lagi, dito na kay Hari. Wala naman mag-host. Dili, dapat siya rin dapit dong. Hi guys, naman nyo siya. Nampos. Dako pang Maria Cristina, guys. So, go. Coming here. This way. Ah, doha di dong. Maria Cristina po dong. Ay, dako diri dong. Sa Pikas. Diri ang nindot. Dong, picture rin ako diri. Wet. So cute. Nandito ka ba? Winner jud ta. Yeah, we won! Batia mo na to eh. Mas nice pa ang tinago. Pog Maria Cristina. Proud Pinoy.
I-add unta nila ang paano.
Isa?
Isa ka bridge pa. Isa pa ka halfway. Kamay ra kay paano. Kamay ra kay room dito.
So guys, pabalik na mi. So muna siya ang katong padong dito. Very pabalik. Super nice, guys. Nindot ang trail. Ibabot sa falls. Pakukauyon. So, happy guys here. Yeah. Muna siya. Pabalik na mi guys. Oh yeah, nice! Chipmunk! Hello! 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 I should have told you so. Nice guys! Yay! Finisher! Leonard! Grand ID! Woohoo! Kapit kami! So, yay! Daog tayo dong! Woo! Finisher! Pila to ng 1,610? Yo? 2,000? Di mo good? 2,000? Oy! Oy, kuan man idong accommodation. Accommodation. Nanami guys, tara guys. Ano dala nga sa buwan? So we're here, we're back. Grabe kadakuan. Daog jud me guys. Imagine that. Oh, 1.5 miles. So 2 2, they don't know. Ay,
Where?
1 and 1/2. Ang isa 1/2. So 2, no? Wow. Wala ni siya guys. We're back. And the winner is... Tamo, ito sa ito. Pwede pagkaon? Ito ang finisher.